Hello everyone. According to the many English speakers and native speakers, they are telling English is a funny language, but how to learn? It is depend on practice. How to do the practice? Nowadays, lot of videos are available on YouTube. Many peoples, many teachers are teaching free of cost. So I am telling you, if you want to change your life in a from national to international level, you must learn English because English is an international language. If you know how to write, how to speak, then automatically you are able to connect with entire world. So this is your good time and easy to learn. So I hope Jai Hind.